Okay, on to letter B. So again, I have both properties here as well. I need to apply that -2 exponent to both the numerator and the denominator, but the numerator is already being raised to a power, so I have to use the quotient of powers as well. So I'm going to take my a and have a to the -4 times -2 over, and I'm just going to apply the -2 to the b, so I have b to the -2. Now I need to simplify. So I end up with a to the -4 times -2, that's +8, so a to the 8th. And then on the bottom, I still have b to the -2, and I don't have anything to do there, except it's not where it belongs. So I need to take this and I need to move it up here and make the exponent positive. So my answer is a to the 8th and times b squared. And that right there is the answer.